Hi guys, last year I made a YouTube video on how to make a Naturewatch camera using a Raspberry Pi. It was a project that I'd very much wanted to do for ages, and when lockdown got announced, it seemed like the perfect time to go ahead and do it. I made a YouTube video. I'll put the link to the YouTube video in the description below. And here we are 5-6 months down the line, and I thought now would be a good time to show you some of the photos and video that the camera has taken. Hope you guys enjoy it. So over to the back garden.